Nau mai hoki mai ki Te Whaihanga. Welcome back. Our aim is to help you, as built environment professionals, establish and sustain strong working relationships with mana whenua. An important part of that relationship is how it actually begins. Meeting with mana whenua for the first time is a hugely important part of the process and the project. In this video we'll explore planning for the first meeting as a team, learning about the area in advance, and letting mana whenua guide you in their protocols. So let's head back to Whenua Way. It's an iwi housing development, 15 hectares, some sites of cultural significance, and a stream running right through the middle of the site. Some significant earthworks are planned, so meetings are taking place between mana whenua reps and the newly appointed development team. So let's meet the development team who've been selected to do the work on Whenua Way.
Hey guys.
Morning.
Kia ora mai tātou. I'm pretty sure that you guys are as happy as I am that we've been successful in securing Whenua Way project.
Yeah, that's awesome, team.
Yeah, I feel really honoured. I know for some of us this is going to be a cultural learning curve, but I have assured them that we are up for this. Yeah, a lot of work ahead of us, but first thing is first, we do need to meet with mana whenua and introduce ourselves. So can we all meet next week, Tuesday?
I've been to that marae. Can I get the initial meeting off?
Tomo, this initial hui is hugely important for this project. Perhaps you have been there already, but this is how we initiate a new kaupapa.
Okay, fair enough. So what's happening? Is there going to be a pōwhiri?
In this instance, no, but there will be a mihi whakatau. Are we all comfortable with the process of a mihi whakatau?
What is that?
A whakatau is a semi-formal welcome. Yeah, so we will gather outside the marae and they will lead us in. Once we get inside and after everyone has taken their seats, there will be mihi from both sides. Normally women are in front as we walk on, and they will then guide us as we walk into the whare.
Okay.
Yeah?
Who will speak for us?
Yes, I called the marae this morning and checked. I can speak for us initially, but they will expect each of us to introduce ourselves.
I'm a little nervous. What do I say?
Try not to worry about it, yeah? You're going to be talking about a subject that you know best, which is yourself. Yeah. But maybe think about how you want to introduce yourself, yeah, and maybe any connections that you might have, yeah. So pay attention to what is being said, and remember that this is about forming a long-term relationship. And then afterwards, we will sing a waiata together.
Oh.
Okay, what?
Something short and in tune, please.
Okay.
Oh, okay. How long do you think the whakatau will take?
As long as it needs to, really, yeah. Guys, it's really important to note that with mana whenua, it's whanaungatanga before business. Yeah, it's really important to establish a connection before project details. So, I would like us to have a lunchtime waiata practice.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Sounds all right. Cool.
But tomorrow.
As you can see, it's really important to plan that first meeting. Be as clear as you can on the protocols to be observed. They may be on a marae, they may be in a boardroom, a cafe, or even on the site. In any case, check with someone who knows in advance. Planning for the first meeting as a team, learning about the area in advance, and letting mana whenua guide you in their protocols. Remember, each rohe, each iwi have subtle differences in the way they observe their tikanga, so don't assume all situations will play out in the same way. Join us in the next video as we continue to explore the development at Whenua Way.